What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Ashok from TechiBee, and today in this video we'll be taking a look at Miui 10 for OnePlus 6 and 60, which is based on Android Pie. So as you can see, I have already installed it on my device. Let me show you the software information first by going to settings, about phone, and here you can see model number you'll see as MI8 because this is based on MI8 firmware. Android version is Android 9, security patch level is 1st December 2018, and Miui version is 8.12.27, that is in beta version. So guys, if you are looking for a stable ROM, then you need to wait for some time because this is not at all stable. Still, I'm using it from past 2-3 days, no issues with the performance and battery. Few bugs are there which I'll be telling you in this video. So first of all, I'm using Poco launcher here, which you can find it on the Play Store. I don't like the stock launcher, so I have replaced it with the Poco launcher. Talking about phone, here VoLTE services works fine, no issues with the VoLTE services. As you can see here, VoLTE services have no issues. I'm using my Airtel SIM card, which is Volt enabled. Quick setting panel consists of many quick setting tiles, that is dual, GPS, auto rotation, reading mode. Reading mode also don't work along with auto rotation and auto brightness. Live wallpapers are working fine on this ROM, no issues with the live wallpaper. Many times you'll find issue with the proximity sensor. As you can see here, when I cover the proximity sensor, it doesn't work. So it is also a bug, and sometimes it works. I also tried using proximity sensor fix application, that also did not help me out. Moving on to the camera does not work. Here you need to use Google Camera application. I'll put up the link in the description below. So here I'm using Google Camera application, and which is working fine. This also behaving weird sometimes. As you can see, it took lots of time to open up. After that, portrait mode with front and back camera is working fine, no issues with that. Inside settings, SIM card and mobile network works fine, no issues here. Under Wi-Fi also, both the bands are working fine. Bluetooth also no issues, I have personally tested that. Portable hotspot is also working fine. Let's go to display. So here auto brightness is not working, so if you go here, you enable auto brightness. As you can see, that does not work in this build. Hope this gets fixed in the upcoming builds. Double tap to wake on the screen is also not working. Then we have auto rotate screen, that is also not working. I have tested with many applications. Under lock screen and password, we don't have face unlock option, but fingerprint is working fine. Full screen gestures are pretty smooth, no issues with full screen gestures, as you can see. You can also take the advantage of second space. Then under dual app, you can use 2 applications at a time just by enabling it from here. Rest everything is available like what we get it on Miui 10, security application, music app, MI videos, gallery. And as per developer, he is also working on the stock camera application of Miui 10. So guys, there is not much to show about this ROM as we have already covered Miui 10 in our previous videos. And if you wish to install this ROM, then you can further watch the video. Now moving on to the installation process. First of all, to install the Miui 10 on OnePlus 6 and 60, on OnePlus 6 you should be running on Open Beta 8 as the base firmware, and on OnePlus 60 make sure you are running Oxygen OS 9.0.7 as base firmware. So as you can see, this is my OnePlus 6 which is already running on Oxygen OS Open Beta 8. Do not try to flash it on different version. Make sure you are running Oxygen OS Open Beta 8 for OnePlus 6 and Oxygen OS 9.0.7 on OnePlus 60. After that, you need to download the ROM file, that is here. This is a zip file, you just need to unzip, and after that you'll have these files available inside the folder, and make sure to place everything inside the ADB folder. Once you have done all these things, you need to unlock your bootloader. For that, tap build number 7 times until you see you are a developer now. Then go to system, developer option, enable OEM unlocking from here. As my device is already unlocked, so I don't have to do that. Advanced reboot, and also enable USB debugging. And before unlocking your bootloader, make sure to take a complete backup because this will delete the entire storage from your device. So as I've already unlocked, so I don't have to unlock my device. Now what you have to do is you need to boot your device to fast boot mode. For that, press power key and select bootloader. Once your device boots into bootloader, then go to your PC and locate these files where you have placed. But make sure you have placed inside the ADB folder because we need to use commands here that will only work in ADB folder. So here I have installed ADB drivers under which I have made subfolders like OnePlus 6, OnePlus 60. So under OnePlus 6 I have placed the ROM file, TWRP recovery, and the TWRP recovery installer. So I'll put up the link of all the files inside the description below. Once you are done with that, you need to open command prompt here. Type cmd in the address bar, hit enter, and now type fastboot devices and hit enter. So this will show you one serial number. That means your device is connected in fast boot mode. After this, you need to unlock the device. For that, you need to put command as fastboot OEM unlock, and then you need to hit enter. So as you can see, it says failed device is already unlocked. So my device is already unlocked. I don't have to do it once again. For those who are doing it for the first time, make sure to take a backup of your device. So after you have successfully unlocked your device, then what you have to do is you need to open this folder, that is Miui 10 global 8.12.27. You need to double click on this. Do not run as administrator, just double click and wait for the process to complete. So process will take around 4 to 5 minutes. As you can see, now it is completed. It says done. Now boot into TWRP and flash Magisk and TWRP if you want to. So press any key to exit. Now what we have to do is, now we need to boot a device into TWRP recovery. So download the recovery file which I have given in the description below. Rename it to TWRP. So once you rename it to TWRP, then you again need to open command prompt where you have placed the TWRP file. Type cmd in the address bar, hit enter, give a command fastboot boot TWRP followed by .img and hit enter. Now your device will boot into TWRP recovery. So after your device boots into TWRP recovery, swipe to allow modification. Let me decrease the brightness. So once your device have been successfully booted into TWRP recovery, you need to go to your PC, go to the Miui 10 folder, that is what we have extracted, and from here you need to copy this file, that is Miui 10 fix. Copy this and place it inside the internal storage of your device, as I have already pasted it. And after that, go to TWRP recovery, go to mount, and you need to mount vendor. After that, again go to home screen, select install and flash the fix file. And that's it, you are done. You just need to reboot your device now. So booting up will take hardly 20 to 30 seconds. Just ignore these messages and now you have Miui 10 available on your Oneplus 6. So guys, this way you can install Miui 10 on Oneplus 6 and 60, and if you have any kind of questions you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.